half of the house. It's disgusting. The bathroom. I can't think about it.
I'd have to have an S behind that.
All right.
And just notes.
Yep.
What do we find?
Which way does it open? Ew.
Oh, you touched it. You touched it. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Here's some bread.
I don't know what that was. That was all squishy
Sticky.
right there.
Thank Yes.
All the hard work's done. Now it's actually putting it back together, put the doors in and making it look like a house. It's gonna be really cool.
Yeah, for sure. Right, and so we've got resources where we know the cost of the cabinets aren't gonna break the bank or the budget that we have here.
We talked about that.
Yeah, but we're gonna revisit the topic. So, what we've done here in the area is you look at, and you're gonna be, somewhat close to that. So if it's a 1,500 square foot house that you have.
It's hard to go over all the nuances of the in a short video, but
Put out if you don't have that as an investor. So, a couple of tips. Anything else you want to add on?
no, that's good.
That area?
Good.
Okay.